Hi guys, it's Charlie Gray here, and I'm here with REYU, showcasing their styling range, where we're going to be working with the clay, creating this short textured look on my model Courtney. The style that we're going to be working on the hair is going to be directed forward, working with the REYU Clay, which is going to allow me to work with lots of strength, increase the volume, but still work with a very dry looking effect. The effect that we're going to be looking for is a dry structured matte finish. I can achieve that by applying it into the damp hair, drying it into the hair and styling it through. Let's now apply some of the clay into the damp hair. Now, the great thing about this product is that it has an amazing fragrance, which is very woody, but also the way that you apply it into the hands is very important. The important thing about the clay is that you need to really work it into the hands first to activate the product and warm it up, so you can start to feel the heat and the separation in the product through your hands. This is a great time now to start distributing it through into the damp hair. We're going to start applying the product into the mid-length and ends of the hairstyle. If we want to increase volume through this hairstyle, we'll start to work with our fingertips through the roots. Right now, I'm not necessarily so focused on the roots, but more so getting the product in through the mid-lengths and the ends. This is where I want to see the moisture, and this is where I want to see the texture within the style as it's coming forward. We're going to apply the product to create definition and separation within the hair. This will help me keep it flatter through the external shape and increase the volume from the roots on the internal area. The clay is going to allow me to get volume in through the root, but also allow me to have definition through the external length. The thing that I love about REYU is that it's for professional salons only. So it allows you to bring your brand to life and take control of your products without competition from online retailers. So having your own brand creates independence and gives you the freedom to set your own prices and maximize your profits. You can now see that we've applied the clay into the hair and pre-styled it, allowing us to have lots of strength and allow us to mold the hairstyle into shape. To style this haircut, we're going to be working with the diffuser and hairdryer on a low speed setting and a low heat, which will help me enhance the natural movement in the hair. We can see that now the hair is dried, the effect of the clay working through the top of the head, enhancing that volume, but still keeping it very flat with no shine at all. If we want to enhance a little bit more strength and structure into the haircut, then we can add some more clay into the dry hair and make it a little bit more moldable. Now that we've worked the clay into our hands, we're going to start working from the back of the head and work up the volume into the shape, working up onto the top, really increasing the volume from the root of the hair. From a sustainability perspective, all of REYU's products are made in the UK. The packaging is made from glass and aluminium and is infinitely recyclable. All of REYU's merchandise is made from natural bamboo and FSC wood. We've now come to the end of the styling process for this hairstyle, and you can see how the clay has allowed me to work with plenty of structure and strength through the styling, but also give it a matte finish, where we have nice volume through the top of the head, but also flatness and moldability through the external shape. I hope you've enjoyed watching me create this short textured look, using REYU Clay, and I'll see you next time.